Hi everyone, it's Ed at R U Cars, and this is our 2016 BMW 340i M Sport. This car's done 57,000 miles, 2 owners, 2 keys, great history, absolutely stunning to look at, and it is finished in the individual champagne quartz, which is a bit of a flip colour. I don't think the lighting in here will show it, but in the sun, wow, what a colour. It's got the Icon LED headlights. It's got a couple of upgrades, which include the gloss black grills, the gloss black lip on the front and the valance on the rear. It's got the 19-inch, I think they're called Orbit alloys. Brand new tyres on the front. Just look at this colour. Got the high gloss shadowline trim, M Sport Plus package with the braking system. It's got the privacy glass, this lovely carbon fibre lip, parking sensors front and rear. It's got the shadow exhaust or shadow edition exhaust tips, that gloss black diffuser. Private reg numbers included with the sale. Absolutely stunning car. It is fitted with a set of eyeback springs. We've got the originals with it if you want, but the ride quality is not compromised and it just sits just a fraction lower than your standard example, and we think it looks really well. These lights are incredible, and they look great when you unlock the car. Look at that, really cool. Inside it's got the black leather with the oyster highlights, but we'll show you the boot to begin with. Got your floor mats there, all nice and clean, no nasty smells or anything like that. Your warning triangle and your toolkit to the right there. Unmarked rear seats with the isofix and the armrest. We've got the contrast stitching throughout. And then in the front, driver's seat is immaculate. These little oyster accents are part of the individual trim, I do believe. Don't quote me on that though, I could be wrong. Got the paddle shift. Harman Kardon audio. Obviously it's got the auto lights with the Icon LEDs. Got the M Performance logo there when you get into the vehicle. Heated seats, big screen nav and media. But let's just start the car, show you there's no warnings. So there you go, only warning light we've got is fuel. No other nasties. Got your cruise control just here. Your audio controls over here. The steering wheel is incredibly clean. Looks like it's got a steering cover on. A lot of these wear across the top here. This one's impeccable. On the multimedia side, we've got your CD, DVD, Logic 7, etc. As you can see there. Your equaliser if you know about your audio and how you want it set. But we've also got your external devices. So you've got your Bluetooth music, auxiliary input and USB. And your CD, DVD collection. We've also got FM, AM and DAB. No signal in this back room. Obviously your Bluetooth phone and your navigation. Why it's set like that, I don't know. But yeah, you can turn the maps around to your preference. That is not my preference. enough of that. Got your heated seats. Obviously this is an LCI vehicle, so this is all in white. Very nice. Cup holders down here. Sport mode, eco mode, etc. to flip between. Larger eye control knob. The USB, an auxiliary, and the armrest. Handbox in the glove box. We've got main beam assist here. That's the camera there. I'll just flick that on so you can see the button. And that's about it. Stunning car. You've got to see it in the flesh to appreciate just how nice this is. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in. Thanks for watching.